Second District Palawan, Honorable Florencio T. Miraflor, Lone District Aklan, Honorable Antonio Miranda, 4th District Isabela, Honorable Francis L. Nepomuceno, 2nd District Pampanga, Honorable Rafael P. Nantes, 1st District Quezon Province, Honorable Ernesto Bayani Nuibad, 1st District Manila City, Honorable Prospero C. Nograles, 1st District Davao City, Honorable Antonio H. Ciriles, 2nd District Zamboanga Sur, Honorable Manuel C. Ortiga, 1st District La Union, Honorable Jacinto B. Paras, 2nd District Negros Oriental, Honorable Remedios L. Pitilia, 1st District Liti, Honorable Prospero E. Pichay Jr., 1st District Surigao Sur, Honorable Artur Pinguy Jr., 2nd District South Cotabato, Honorable Rodolfo Rodrigo G. Plaza, Lone District Agusan Sur, Honorable Monico O. Puentevilla, Lone District Bacolod City, Honorable Ronaldo B. Puno, 1st District Antipolo City, Honorable Isidro Elio Real Jr., 1st District Zamboanga Sur, Honorable Jesus Crispin C. Remulla, 3rd District Cavite, Honorable Gilbert Cesar C. Remulla, 2nd District Cavite, Honorable Jose Maria Cliente N. Salcida, 3rd District Albay, Honorable Federico E. Sandoval Dasikan, Lone District Malabon Nabutas, Honorable Antonio M. Sirapio, 2nd District Valenzuela City, Honorable Emilio Talino Santos, 1st District Kidapawan, Honorable Rizalina L. Sison, 3rd District Masbate, Honorable Eric D. Singson, 2nd District Ilocos Sur, Honorable Jose G. Suli, 2nd District Sorsogon, Honorable Danilo E. Suarez, 3rd District Quezon Province, Honorable Victor R. Sumulong, 2nd District Antipolo City, Honorable Judy G. Juco, 2nd District Iloilo City, Honorable Mary Ann Susano, 2nd District Quezon City, Honorable Rolix T. Suplico, 5th District Iloilo, Honorable Lorenzo R. Tanyada III, 4th District Province, Honorable Gilbert C. Teodoro Jr., 1st District Tarlac, Honorable Herminio G. Tibis, 3rd District Negros Occidental, Honorable Generoso D.C. Tulagan, 3rd District Pangasinan, Honorable Aurelio M. Umali, 3rd District Nueva Ecija, Honorable Alfonso B. Umali Jr., 2nd District Oriental Mindoro, Honorable Renato G. Unico Jr., Lone District Camarines Sur, Honorable Rinaldo Oy, 1st District Eastern Samar, Honorable Rodolfo G. 1st District Oriental Mindoro, Honorable Edmundo Ories Jr., Lone District Marinduque, Honorable Victoria H. Reyes, 3rd District Batangas, Honorable Antonio P. Ramon, 1st District Bataan, Honorable Jesus Hardin M. Romualdo, Lone District Camiguin, Honorable Eduardo B. Ronquero, Lone District East GDM Bulacan, Honorable Nirisa Corazon is Ruiz, 6th District Cebu, Honorable Isidro S. Rodriguez Jr., 2nd District Rizal, Honorable Florencio L. Vargas, 2nd District Cagayan, Honorable Eduardo T. Beluso, 3rd District Liti, Honorable Romualdo T. Vicencio, 2nd District Northern Samar, Honorable Maria Emilita C. Villarosa, Lone District Mindoro, Honorable Eleuterio R. Biolago, 2nd District Nueva Ecija, Honorable Lawrence B. Waknang, Lone District, Kalinga, Honorable Antonio P. Yapa Jr., 3rd District, Cebu, Honorable Manuel E. Zamora, 1st District, Compostela Province, Honorable Ronaldo B. Zamora, Lone District, San Juan, Honorable Eduardo C. Sualcita, 1st District, Parañaque, Honorable Juan Miguel P. Subiri, 3rd District, Bukidnon, Honorable Herminia Indi Ramiro, 2nd District, Misamis Occidental, Honorable Luis R. Villafuerte, 2nd District, Camarines Sur. So, ito yung mga kanila.